1300-meter race is on the way. Chelsea Chels draws for your lead. Wild Talk is right behind in second. Then moving up on the outside, Golden Class. Red Flash is sneaking in down on the inside. Then running alongside Mr. Enrico as they race towards the half mile pole. With Chelsea Chels still leading the field. Wild Talk remains in second, racing in third. Golden Class followed by Mr. Enrico. Then comes Red Flash, followed up on the outside by High Voltage. Raon comes next as they race towards the 450. Wild Talk is still leading the field by about 3 lengths now over Golden Class in second. Moving up on the outside, Mr. Enrico, and down the stretch they come. It's Wild Talk by about 4 lengths. Golden Class remains in second, running by the rail Mr. Enrico. Chelsea Chels with 75 meters to race. Wild Talk by 4 lengths over Golden Class. Mr. Enrico. Chelsea Chels, High Voltage, Papa Joe. Then comes Red Flash and Raon.
Okay, 57436 ang ating unofficial